In this video, you'll see how you can project AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery, or AWS DRS, costs. With the AWS Pricing Calculator, you can build detailed estimates for your disaster recovery solutions based on expected usage to understand costs before implementation. We'll start on the AWS Pricing Calculator page, where we'll create an estimate. We'll search for the AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery service. Let's configure the service. First, we'll enter a description for the estimate. Next, we'll specify the region. For our purposes, we'll use US East. Our estimate can include resources consumed both during data replication and during launch drills or recovery. We'll start with an estimate for replication services. Next, we'll input our replication needs. AWS DRS is billed hourly per replicating server at a flat rate, plus replication infrastructure cost. For this example, we have 10 source servers involving 20 disks. We'll estimate an average change rate of 5% per day. Our total storage encompasses 2 terabytes of data. Pricing varies according to staging volume, so we'll estimate a percentage for how many of our source disks are larger than 500 gigabytes. Volumes larger than 500 gigabytes default to more performant disk types. Finally, you can select the number of days to retain the Amazon Elastic Block Store or Amazon EBS snapshots in case you need to recover from older timeframes. We'll use the default retention policy of 7 days. Let's finish the cost estimate. At the bottom of the page, we can see a brief overview of the monthly cost. Let's add this to our estimates. The My Estimate page opens, where we can see a tally of the estimated monthly and annual costs. Now we'll build an estimate for drill and recovery costs. Let's add a service. This time we'll search for Amazon EC2. Let's add a description of the estimate. We'll keep US East as the region and use the Quick Estimate feature. Next, let's adjust the Amazon EC2 specifications. We'll keep Linux as the operating system and then search for the instance type by name. We'll select T3 Small. Here's a breakdown of the cost per instance. Let's continue. We'll adjust the quantity of EC2 instances needed to match the number we entered for the replication estimate. Next, we'll select a pricing model. Each option can be tuned to meet specific business needs and optimize costs. For this example, let's build the estimate to account for only on-demand drill launches. We'll specify the expected utilization of Amazon EC2 instances as 2 hours per month. For the pricing strategy, we'll select on-demand instances. Finally, let's choose the Amazon EBS volume storage type and storage amount. Let's add this service to our estimate. The My Estimate page now summarizes the total monthly and annual costs for the 2 services we configured. When we've completed our estimates, we can export and share them. You've just seen how you can project AWS DRS costs. You can learn more about this topic in the description and links for this video. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to try.